Okay, but we get consequences from having too many bikes. That's a big stand of them, and if we go a bit further we'll see them all over here, and then we'll see a collection of them there as well. So when you have loads of different companies investing in the same thing, of something that is about to be fantastic, I think, at least. We have too many bikes, this is usually what happens. What are we doing today?
Today we're gonna tell you guys how to use amazing bike sharing in China.
Yes, it's very popular. So we're standing in the middle of the road, and the most common way nowadays is the old ways also of transporting yourself. It's by, like what you said, by this one, by the little bike. What is it called?
Oh, well, there's several brands in China, but the biggest two are Mobike and Ofo. One has an orange color, the other one has yellow color. It's very, very easy to spot on the road. Yeah.
I think we're ready.
Yeah.
That's what we're going to do today. Good luck,
I'll
Anne.
show you.
Bye-bye.
No. Bike. Come on.
Sorry. Bike. Bike. Look at this sea. And every new color is a different company. And here's the man collecting these little bikes as well. So if you run out of room, it's fine, you can just put it there instead.
就每天就是要整理很多辆吗？
也是。
也是，就是大家会乱停乱放是吧？
对，主要是乱停乱放。
So guys, if you're using Mobike or Ofo, like the bike sharing bikes, please do remember to put
Where they belong.
Yeah, put where
In a
they
stand.
belong.
Otherwise this is what happens.
Yeah.
Oh.
Someone has to clean up. We have found a bike, it's Mobike. Okay, here, so it's located. Oh, we're trying. So it actually has a map, it shows the bikes around you. Let's just scan this one, okay? Unlock. Let's go. Oh, it's opened.
Well,
Hear the sound?
open.
Do you hear the sound?
The sound of opening.
Okay.
Of a Chinese card, you can't actually get these little shared bikes. You can't get a taxi either, but I'm always folding. But you can just ask your Chinese friends. If you can't get one of these bikes, it's also a Chinese person, like the one behind the camera. Bye bye, Anne.
Don't steal my bike!
Go! Go! So yeah guys, this is what China looks like on a bike. Please enjoy. When I came to China the first time, and before I came to China I had listened to a song that was one of my favourite ones with Katie Melua. She was singing, "There are 9 million bicycles in Beijing," and I just took that as a fact. But then when I came to Beijing, there was no bicycles whatsoever, so they've basically moved on from that. At that point they had, but now they've moved back to all of these wonderful little bikes, and I love what they're doing to the place. I hope you love it too. What do you have to say so far, Anne? Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. I think it's super convenient. If the destination is within 3 kilometers, I would definitely choose bikes
Over like cabs.
cabs or subways. But one thing One problem is in Beijing it gets super cold during winter, so it's really not friendly for you to bike during winter. It's sort of windy, but in summer it's definitely cool.
So do people bike during the winter, or are
Not
bikes
really.
just everywhere?
Yeah, winter people don't bike so much in winter, so there'll be more bikes everywhere, but also the company would collect some of the bikes back, I think.
These cars are about to run over me. And now we're entering the Hutong area where I actually live. Wonderful. You can't really see it, but there's I can hold up the bike. Bike. So, afterthoughts, Anne. Do we like bikes in Beijing?
Yeah, we definitely love bikes in Beijing. So convenient. You can go basically anywhere with a bike.
Yeah. How much is it, by the way?
Well, it's very cheap. Usually costs 1 kuai for half hour. Nothing very convenient for because a lot of people go to work by subway, and after you get off the subway, you still have to walk for like quite bit of distance.
Yeah.
But if you have a bike, you can take subway. Then at the entrance of the subway, there's tons of bike. You can get a bike and bike to your
work.
to
That's
office.
wonderful.
Yeah, so it's very convenient. But yeah.
But always a but.
Yeah, always a but.
What's the but in
I'm
this
gonna leave
case?
the negative side to Felix, so you
To
can
the
hit him, not
Skeptical
me.
foreigner. Yeah, we can see consequences on the street. I guess you've figured that one out already. There's loads of companies, so obviously there will be consequences as well, where they just throw bikes into the streets and they hope that you will take care of them. So they try to do precautionary actions like actually having people pick up bikes. Like we have a little video of that, I think. And so on and so on. But it also, like, there's so many people in Beijing and in China as well, so that doesn't help too much. So there will be bikes everywhere as well. Doesn't look very good. That's it. Wonderful. And that is what they look like. Wonderful. Make sure you ride one of those. If you don't know how to ride them, we'll show you in one of our videos as well.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Enjoy biking in China.
I think I'm ready to say goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.